The airport shuttle bus needs to take 49 people from the terminal to the parking garage. The shuttle bus can take 20 passengers on each trip. How many passengers will the shuttle bus take on its last trip? All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to divide 49 divided by 20. Now, what's going to happen is we're going to get a number with a remainder. The question that's being asked is how many passengers will the shuttle bus take on the last trip? Well, the remainder is going to be that answer. So let's set the problem up. 20 is our divisor, so that goes on the outside. 49 is our dividend, that goes on the inside. And we ask ourselves how many times 20, two-digit number, goes into 49, that two-digit number. How about twice? Now, not exactly twice, but I know 2 times 20 is 40. So we subtract, and when we subtract, we get 9. Now, this 2 means 2 full bus loads will go. Since I can't drop down any more numbers, my remainder is 9. So after 2 full bus loads go, there's going to be 9 people left over on that last trip. So the question is, how many passengers will the shuttle bus take on its last trip? 9 passengers. And that is our answer.